Your energy creates your reality. Your energy is the foundation of your reality. Everything in your reality reflects something in your own personal energy field. So in order to get a grip on your reality, in order to get a grip on your life, you have to get a grip on your energy. Energy is the most fundamental principle of this universe. And it's so important to grasp it and understand it, because if you truly want to turn into the conscious creator of your life and of your reality, you really have to understand how your energy affects the reality around you. And this is the most beautiful realization, because once you realize that your energy creates your reality, you can start consciously working on your energy and shifting your energy and elevating your energy and elevating your state of being. And that's when you really turn into this conscious designer, and you give your life more meaning, you give your life more freedom, you give your life more joy and abundance, because you no longer agree to what is. You no longer agree to what is. Instead, you mold your reality. You shape the circumstances the way you want them to be shaped. But it all starts with understanding your energy, because energy is everything in the universe, and the entire universe works according to the energetic principles, because energy is the currency of the universe. That's right, energy is basically the currency of the universe. So pay the universe with the right type of a currency, pay the universe with the right type of energy, the right type of frequency, and you're gonna get anything you want in life, because the universe just mirrors your energy. So the more you elevate yourself and the more you elevate your energy in your state of being, the more you elevate your entire reality. So what is energy? Because energy is not a mysterious thing. Like, you are an energetic being, and what creates your energy is your emotions. It is actually scientifically proven that emotion is energy in motion. You can measure the energy of every emotion. As the emotions create your energy, you have to now distinguish between what is low energy and what is high energy, because obviously low energy draws to you low energetic and low vibrational circumstances. High energy draws to you high vibrational circumstances. So how do you distinguish what is low energy and what is high energy? And again, it's just about your emotions. The better, the more positive your emotions, like joy, like gratitude, like happiness, like bliss, just having fun and love, and any other positive emotion, like this kind of emotions, they just elevate your state of being, they just elevate your vibration and frequency, and they put you on a higher timeline, they put you on a higher frequency. Whereas the negative emotions, the emotions like anger and sadness and resistance and not feeling good enough and lack of self-love and lack of self-worthiness, like these emotions keep you stuck in lower energy, in lower frequency. And when you're in those emotions, you just, like, your circumstances basically reflect these emotions. So if your circumstances reflect your emotions, and if your dominant emotional state creates your energy, creates your frequency, creates your vibration, then it's actually a good idea to start addressing what's going on inside you, what's going on in the world of your emotions. Because if you're not aware of the energetic principle of the universe, then basically you're running on autopilot. And when you're running on autopilot, you allow your thoughts to happen to you, you allow your beliefs to happen to you, and you allow your emotions to happen to you, because you don't pay attention to the fact that what I'm putting out into the universe, into the unified quantum field of potential, is actually what I'm energetically getting back. So you have to become more conscious, you have to become more aware. You have to address what's going on inside you, and remember that every belief can be changed, every thought can be changed. You can completely brainwash yourself for a new type of reality. You can completely redefine yourself, your identity, and who you think you are. You don't have to maintain your current belief system. You don't have to maintain your current emotional states. And by the way, your belief system and emotions are always connected, always, because your beliefs impact your emotions. So change your emotions and you're gonna have different beliefs, or change your beliefs and you're gonna have different emotions. Like whichever way you start, you're gonna get something better in your inner world, and that's in your reality. So when you start cultivating different thoughts, you start cultivating the different belief system, you start also cultivating different emotions, and all of these components, they start to impact your reality in the most miraculous way. And you start noticing these little shifts in your reality. You start noticing these little synchronicities because you elevate yourself, you elevate your state of being, you elevate your energy. And remember that we live in an infinite quantum field of potential. So the moment you elevate your energy, you just like start aligning with different possibilities in the field. And these possibilities already exist as a quantum potentials. But you're just not vibrationally aligned with them because you're lingering like lack and limitation. Remember that when you're lingering lack and limitation, you can't really connect with abundance and love, because you have to be the energy you want to attract. You have to embody abundance to be abundant. You have to embody love to be loved and loved and attract amazing relationships. You have to embody success to be successful. Energy is everything in the universe, so cherish the right type of energy and you're gonna completely shift and redefine the entire reality. And so many people just try to force a change in external circumstances without addressing their dominant energetic state and their inner world and their belief system, and it doesn't work that way. It clearly doesn't work that way. But since your energy is the foundation not only of your reality, energy is the foundation of everyone's reality. Energy is the foundation of the universe. So you have to be aware of how to maneuver the energy, how to work with your energy, how to elevate your energy, how to raise your frequency, how to raise your vibration. Because whatever it is that you want to manifest, it also starts with your energy. Manifestation also starts with the energy. You have to embody the feelings of your manifestation, of your wish fulfilled. Thus, you're embodying the energy of your manifestation and you're aligning with your manifestation. So whether you want to just harmonize your life or like create specific manifestations in your reality, or whatever you want to do in life, just remember how your energy affects the reality around you, how much impact you actually have on your own reality. You can have anything you want, you can create anything you want, as long as you are aware of the fact that your energy creates a blueprint for your three-dimensional reality. And the more you take care of your energy, the more you cherish the right kind of energy, the more you elevate your energy, the better your overall reality, because the creation of reality and every manifestation always starts inside you. It always starts inside you, never starts outside of you. Your inner world is the cause and your external reality is just the effect. So harmonize your inner world, harmonize your energy, and allow yourself to align with this like better, higher vibrational quantum potentials in the quantum field, because you deserve to live a wonderful, abundant, joyful, happy life. And the only thing that is preventing you from living this abundant, joyful, happy life is your lack of understanding how your own energy affects your reality. So the more you start addressing your energy, elevating yourself and your state of being, your energy, the better your life becomes, your overall reality becomes. And you really will start noticing such amazing positive shifts in your reality. Because the moment you change your energy, you change your entire life, you get onto a whole new frequency, you get into a whole new reality. And the higher your energy, the better this reality. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that right now you understand that the beginning of every manifestation is in your energy. The beginning of consciously creating your reality is in your energy. And your emotions, your dominant emotional state, creates your energy. So take care of what's going on inside you, because what's going on inside you creates what's going on outside of you. You are the creator of your reality. So start being more aware of the fact that you are the creator of your reality, and that you do have the power to create anything you want, and stop creating your reality by default, and instead start creating your reality by design. Because when you elevate your energy, you elevate your entire reality. So pay attention to your habitual thinking patterns. Pay attention to your habitual feeling patterns. Pay attention to your identity, to everything that's going on inside you. And address it. And turn it into something beautiful. You're gonna get a whole new amazing reality. Because you definitely do deserve to have anything you want in life. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.